Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge BMW X5 Hybrid at home, updated. Start by confirming your exact model and battery state, then pick a charging method that fits your schedule. Use a dedicated 240V outlet for faster charges or 120V for overnight trickle charging, and always check breaker capacity. I will also cover basic setup steps, expected charging times, and simple safety tips you can follow at home. Begin by planning where the charging station will sit and measure cable reach. Hire a licensed electrician to install a dedicated 240V circuit if you want faster charging and to avoid overloading your panel. Confirm proper grounding, breaker size, and outlet type before the installer leaves. After installation, test a short charge session, monitor amps, and check that the BMW communicates with the charger cleanly and safely. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical videos. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof containers make meal prep easy and they fit neatly in your trunk, which is great after long charging stops or DIY maintenance. They're sturdy, seal well, and save spills when you're on the go. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Adopt routines that protect your battery and your wallet. Schedule charging in off-peak hours to save on electricity and avoid repeated full charges unless needed. Aim to charge between 20% and 80% most days to preserve battery longevity, and use time charging features when available. Regularly inspect cables and connectors, keep them dry and stored safely, and update your vehicle software so charging controls work smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.